From the calendar section of notification settings, we have a lot of options as far as what notifications or alerts will be delivered from the calendar app. Your calendar probably will have important events that you will want to be alerted to. So, having immediate delivery and time-sensitive notifications is probably a good idea. Below, we can decide where we want calendar alerts to appear and select a different alert sound. How you decide to set all this up will depend on how you are using the calendar app, but having the flexibility is certainly welcomed. Select Customize Notifications, and we can turn off notifications for specific items. Most of us will probably want notifications on for events and invitations, but maybe not for these bottom three, especially shared calendar changes. If this is on, anytime someone that has access to a shared calendar makes a change to it, no matter how minor, a notification will be sent to you. So I always leave this off. Those changes will still be displayed in the calendar inbox. Back in the Calendars app, notice that we can deactivate alerts for any individual, shared, and subscribed calendar. So from here, we can prevent alerts from being sent for holidays. Next up, we will look at the Calendar widget.